thanks Daniel for participating in this event.
welcome.
Tell us a little bit something about Cato.
Okay.
What this company does.
Sure. So Cato's, we are a cloud-native architecture started by two innovators, Solomon Kramers and also Gershad. It's an Israeli company. Our founder is the co-founder of Checkpoint, co-founder of Imperva. Cato is the startup. And more importantly is we are here to come up with a revolution approach of converging both network as a services and security as a service in a cloud-native approach, covering global with our global public backbone and extending to all edges. But more importantly, our vision is very simple. Just like how AWS is revolutionized the whole entire data center platform as a services market, we are doing it in a very different approach. We're doing it in a network and security because we understand that this converged architecture is critical for companies when they are going through the digital transformation journey.
You mentioned about the transformation, and also I think all of us are experiencing the hard time during COVID-19. So do you think the concepts and the products of Cato, how can they solve this kind of challenges and help the people?
Sure. Good question. So in the matter of fact, during the COVID-19 is definitely the perfect timing for customers to really adopt Cato's, the SASE services, secure access service edge. For example, we have encountered customers within a very short period of time, they told us that I need to send 5,000 people home to start working from home because of the lockdown and COVID-19. And if they are using the legacy technology, they will be having a lot of problems because they cannot even go to a data center because it's already locked down to put in additional appliances. And if they need to order additional appliances to cater for the loading of 5,000 users, take them months. But for Cato, because they are already existing customer of Cato's, we just needed to increase the license number of mobile users within half a day. All 5,000 users successfully roll out and start able to accessing from home, just like they're back to office. As simple as that. Definitely, I see that COVID-19 is a very good testing ground for enterprises to better understand the limitation of some of the legacy technologies, why they should move into a cloud-native architecture approach, and how this SASE technology is going to enable them, not only going through the COVID-19 pandemic period, and also moving forward to the next phase as well.
Okay, thank you. And I've heard that, and we discussed, and you thought that you're really expecting a lot from moving into Thailand in terms of Cato and expanding the market. So what do you see? What are the things that you see in Thailand? So
I can see that, first of all, I need to thank you, Dr. for inviting me for today's event at the TCIOA Thailand event. Very eye-opening for me. And honestly speaking, in Singapore, I came from Singapore. Singapore is a small country. Implementing technologies is relatively easier. But however, I look at Thailand, country is very big and vast. A lot bigger than Singapore as well. But I look at all the minister and all the topic they talk about the digital transformation journey and the experience. I'm very impressed. For such a big country can roll out all this initiative and with such a success, I see that there's a lot of momentum and opportunity in Thailand. I'm looking forward to be able to partner with Dr. Supercon to be able to better educate and enable customers. I'm a strong believer of seeing is believing. Once the customer start doing a simple POC, proof of concept, just pick a couple of trouble locations that they have and test it out with 2 weeks POC. We'll be able to immediately change their life, how they are seeing the problem in the past, how this revolutionary architecture is going to help them to resolve the pain point and enable them to really move faster with the digital transformation journey.
Okay. Thank you so much, Daniel, for your good information, and I'm expecting Cato is going to have the good product and services, and also the opportunity here in Thailand.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.